may at-12 sa evidence. So, bali, hindi ka learn dito kung wala ka na nakasalay para iwas siya bangga. Next is, I do not accelerate my speed at school, playground, hospital, and other dangerous zones. Diba, kung tayo mo ka na, may pinahan na siya ka ng sign ng mga kamuhay para sa hinay na mo, di mo mga bangga. Seven is, I will not be careless with crossing at intersection. So, bali mo, cross intersection, na naon nyo, left to right, assign nyo ang subangan graph, iwas ang bangga graph. 8 is, I do not clear my lights when approaching cars at night. But hindi nyo i-off on ang lights, guys. So, i-off on mo din yung lights, posibleng ang yung hatbang, masulawan siya ng bangga ang kadungan. And number 9 is, I will slow down when twilight comes and unsafe road conditions are before me. And last is, I will be cautious and respectful of the rights of every driver and pedestrian. So, respeto kung yung tanan, kanang kuwanong ba kanang dapat nagkasinabo mo para iwas o kanang mga disruption and kanang misunderstanding sa road.
Campus traffic flow management and traffic education are important because they keep students and road users safe and prevent accidents. They also make movement inside the campus more organized. Most of all, they teach students to be disciplined and responsible on the road.